Did you know that your gut isn't just good at telling you when to stop eating that delectable cheesecake? Your gut might just be the secret weapon to your weight loss journey. A fascinating study published in 2021 by the American Society for Microbiology revealed a surprising link between gut bacteria and weight loss. The research found that the composition of gut bacteria can significantly impact weight loss. Let's delve a little into this. Probiotics, such as Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium found in foods like yogurt, kefir, and tempeh, can support gut health. They help beneficial bacteria grow and replicate. Then there are prebiotics, the fuel for probiotics. These can be found in foods like apricots and artichokes. But like any epic story, there are villains too. Foods like red meat and processed foods may interact negatively with gut bacteria. These foods lack nutrients and fiber that feed gut bacteria and may contain added sugars, salt, and artificial additives. So next time you reach for a snack, remember, your gut is silently rooting for that yogurt. Now meet Jane. Jane isn't a superhero, but she might as well be because she's a gut warrior. Jane's story begins with a struggle. She was on a quest for weight loss, but the pounds just wouldn't budge. She tried diet after diet, exercise after exercise, and even considered prescription weight loss drugs like Ozempic. But something was missing from her strategy. One day, Jane stumbled upon a study from the American Society for Microbiology, suggesting a fascinating link between gut health and weight loss. The study revealed that the composition of bacteria in our gut could significantly influence weight loss. It was a light bulb moment for Jane. She realized that she had overlooked an essential ally in her weight loss journey, her gut. Jane decided to turn the tables and embrace the role of gut health in weight loss. She learned that beneficial bacteria in our gut need the right nutrients to thrive. They love probiotics like Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium found in fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, and tempeh. They also feast on prebiotics found in foods like apricots and artichokes, which act as fuel for these beneficial bacteria. But it wasn't just about adding foods to her diet. Jane also learned about the dark side of her diet, processed foods. These foods lack the nutrients and fiber that feed gut bacteria. Plus, they often contain added sugars, salt, and artificial additives that could disrupt the balance of her gut bacteria. She realized that red meat, which contains carnitine, could interact with gut bacteria to increase the risk of plaque in her arteries. Jane took this knowledge and transformed her diet. She prioritized a diverse array of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and fresh plant foods. She waved goodbye to processed foods and welcomed the world of natural, gut-friendly foods with open arms. And guess what? Jane's strategy worked. Her gut began to foster beneficial bacteria, which in turn helped her lose weight. She was no longer just Jane. She was Jane, the gut warrior. And Jane lived happily and healthily ever after, thanks to her trusty gut. Now, you might be thinking, but I can't possibly eat yogurt and apricots all day. Don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's take a quick detour and talk about some foods that might not be doing your gut any favors. Red meat, for instance, contains a compound called carnitine, which when it interacts with your gut bacteria, might increase the risk of plaque in your arteries. Not exactly a winning recipe for gut health or weight loss. And let's not forget about processed foods. They often lack the key nutrients and fiber that your gut bacteria need to thrive. Plus, they might contain added sugars, salt, and artificial additives, which aren't exactly on your gut's favorite foods list. But don't despair. This isn't a call to completely eliminate these foods from your diet. It's about balance, moderation, and diversity. Think of your diet as a colorful palette of foods. You wouldn't paint a masterpiece with just one or two colors, right? So why do the same with your diet? Remember, your gut is like a picky eater. It thrives on variety, not just a diet of apricots and yogurt. Now, let's wrap up with a belly laugh. You see, folks, your gut is the only one who really wants to hear about your dietary choices. It loves a good chat about probiotics like Lactobacillus found in yogurt and kefir, or prebiotics in apricots and artichokes. Your gut is like that one friend who always wants the juicy details. And let's not forget, your gut is your inside source for weight loss. Yes, you heard it right. Those tiny bacteria living in your gut are like the secret agents of your body, working undercover to help you shed those extra pounds. Remember, your gut isn't a fan of the processed foods party. It's more of a fresh fruits and veggies kind of guy. It's a bit old school that way. And then there's the gut's nemesis, red meat. The gut and red meat have a complicated relationship. It's like a soap opera in there, with carnitine playing the villain, increasing the risk of plaque in the arteries. So keep your gut happy and it might just return the favor. After all, a happy gut is a slim gut.